Hey, will you hold my hand?
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's just my...
You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
Sky, before you get upset, I want you to know that you're adopted.
Say hi to everybody. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Can I have a kiss?
Say hi.
What you cooking for dinner?
Lasagna.
You like lasagna?